What if you could brainstorm faster and better with endless creativity no matter what your project is? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways ChatGPT can revolutionize your brainstorming process, helping you create content, strategies, and solutions with ease. Here's what I'm going to cover: brainstorming content pillars for your brand, lead magnets, finding SEO-driven blog topics, crafting interactive content ideas, and mapping out your customer journey. I'm going to demonstrate how ChatGPT can unlock your creative potential, so let's jump in. Let's start brainstorming content pillars for your brand. And the reason why this is important to have pillars is, number one, it helps focus your audience and really focus your efforts for creating content so that you don't have content really in themes all over the place. Not only is that confusing for your audience, but that is also confusing for the algorithms of whatever platform you're marketing on. So it's very important to have maybe 3 to 5. So let's ask ChatGPT to give us some ideas. I'm going to use this prompt. Help me brainstorm 3 to 5 content pillars for a brand focused on AI-driven marketing for content creators and entrepreneurs. All right, we're going to use my YouTube channel as an example here. Here are the results: AI tools for technology and marketing, strategic marketing insights, productivity and workflow optimization, content creation mastery, entrepreneurial growth and mindset. Okay, so this is giving me 5. Now, I can reflect on this to say, okay, does this make sense to me? Is this the direction that I want to take my channel? Let's say I'm just starting out and having 5 content pillars feels a little overwhelming. We can ask ChatGPT to help us refine that list down. Here's the prompt I'm going to use. Please help me refine these down to 3 that will appeal most to my target audience. Here are the results: AI tools and technology for marketing, strategic marketing insights, productivity and workflow optimization. And what's important here is I asked ChatGPT to focus on my target audience, not what I want to do or what I feel comfortable, the content I feel comfortable creating. It's more about the audience, and that's really important here. Lead magnets are your key to audience growth. So let's use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas for lead magnets. Here's the prompt I'm going to use. Brainstorm 3 lead magnet ideas for entrepreneurs struggling to monetize their content. Here's what it came up with: content monetization blueprint, 10 proven strategies to turn views into revenue, revenue-ready content audit toolbook, 30 days to monetize, content calendar for earning your first $1,000. Well, I can tell you with my experience on YouTube that this third one, anytime you can incorporate essentially a time frame with money, is always a good thing. I think this would do well. This is maybe the first one I would start with. Now, let's say we need some help with refining this and actually executing this. Let me show you a quick tip. You can select the text here and hit these little quotations, and it automatically pulls the selected area here down into the prompt. So you don't have to give it any context. Now you can just prompt ChatGPT and it's referencing what was actually selected. So we can say, please expand in detail this option. All right, now it's taken this idea one step further and mapped it out in more detail. So we have an overview, what it actually includes, the focus areas, tools and templates, case studies, examples, why it works, and some bonus features here. It has some design and deliverability ideas. And what's nice here, if we read this, this is a detailed plan designed not only to attract leads, but also build trust and demonstrate your expertise, setting the stage for future sales and a deeper relationship with your audience. Let me know if you'd like help creating a landing page or designing the PDF. So now you can actually start to create some of the assets that you need to pull this off. So there's a lot of possibilities here. ChatGPT simplifies SEO brainstorming by taking keywords and creating blog posts that drive traffic. Let me show you how I'm going to use this prompt. Suggest 10 SEO optimized blog topics for the keyword AI tools for entrepreneurs. All right, let's take a look. Number 1, top 10 AI tools for entrepreneurs to streamline business operations in 2024. Might want to change that up to 2025. How AI tools for entrepreneurs are redefining startup success, a beginner's guide to using AI tools for entrepreneurs. 5. Okay, so you kind of get the point here. Now, let's go one step further. How do we take it? Now we've got some ideas. Let's say we actually wanted to draft one. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to come back here, select this one, click the quotes, and simply tell it, please draft a keyword optimized blog post for this topic. All right, let's take a look at what it created. Top 10 AI tools for entrepreneurs to streamline business operations in 2024. And it lists out 10 different tools here. This is all great stuff. Now, it gives a little brief description of each one. Now, let me show you some additional refinement that you can do. It's listed 10 tools here. I'd like it to include the URLs to all the websites for these suggested tools. And I also want to add a call to action to this blog post asking the reader to sign up for my email newsletter. So I'm going to give it this prompt here. Great. Please include the URLs for each suggested tool and add a CTA to sign up for my email newsletter. Let's see what it comes up with. Here's a revised version. Now it's included the URLs for each one of these tools. So you can click on this and it'll take you to the actual website for the company, which is great. Definitely streamlines the process for us here. And it's created the call to action. Take action today. Subscribe to my email newsletter today and get exclusive access to tools, strategies, and updates tailored for entrepreneurs like you. Sign up now. This is great. This is exactly what I wanted. Definitely makes the process easier. Creating interactive content for your brand can sometimes be challenging, but ChatGPT makes it super easy. Let me show you how. I'm going to use this prompt. Brainstorm a fun quiz idea for entrepreneurs learning about AI tools. All right, let's see what it came up with. What's your AI superpower? Discover the best AI tool for your business. Gives a little description here of the quiz, and it's broken it up into different sections, which is pretty cool. Here's some warm-up questions, personality and work style. What's your ideal way of spending a free afternoon? How do you approach problem solving? Business-focused questions. What's your top business goal in the next 6 months? Which one of these describes your biggest challenge? AI awareness. How would you describe your experience with AI tools? If AI could handle one thing for you today, what would it be? These are great ways to engage your audience, whether it's social media or even in your email newsletters. And ChatGPT makes it super easy. A little bonus tip for you. I like to use Google Forms whenever I'm trying to interact or create a quiz with my audience. It's a free tool and you can literally just copy and paste these questions into Google Forms and it will create a link that you can send out to your audience and it will actually organize all of their answers into a spreadsheet for you. So it's a great seamless way to engage with your audience, and it's a very easy tool to use, so definitely check that out. ChatGPT can help you visualize and refine the path your audience takes from awareness to purchase. Let me show you how. I'm going to use this prompt. Help me brainstorm the customer journey for a coaching business targeting entrepreneurs. All right, we've got a great response here. Let's check it out. Number 1, the awareness stage. So if we're talking about the sales funnel, this is top of the funnel. The problem with this is most entrepreneurs feel overwhelmed, stuck in growth plateaus, or struggle with clarity. This is what social media and ads, this is what it's for, is creating awareness. It's sort of the voice of your brand. Some free resources to offer, a free ebook, guide, checklist. This is why it's important to give ChatGPT who your target audience is, because it's going to make recommendations based on what will appeal to that audience. So for entrepreneurs, they're interested in an ebook, a guide, a checklist, 10 steps to overcome entrepreneur overwhelm. A podcast could be a good idea here, or speaking engagements. Number 2, the interest stage, sparking engagement. Entrepreneurs need to see your approach works and resonates with their challenges. So how do we do that? Could be with an email sequence, a free consultation, case studies and testimonials, and create engaging content. Number 3, decision stage, building trust. Most entrepreneurs are evaluating if your coaching can provide a measurable ROI at this stage. So the touch points could be personalized outreach, a program breakdown, guarantees, low-risk offers, or live success panels. It's all about building trust, and these are the things that you can do to do that. Number 4, the conversion stage, closing the deal. The problem, entrepreneurs need an incentive or reassurance to commit. So how do you do that? Limited time offers, easy payment options, and a welcome package. Number 5, retention stage, keeping clients engaged. Entrepreneurs want consistent progress and support. So touch points could be regular check-ins, community access, and exclusive resources. Number 6, advocacy stage, turning clients into ambassadors. The problem, happy clients want to share their success with others. This is essentially a referral, the best type of marketing you can get. Success celebrations, referral programs, collaboration opportunities, post-coaching support are all touch points. Now, of course, we could ask ChatGPT to expand on each of these more if we wanted to, which essentially gives us a strategy coach on demand, which is really fantastic. Okay, we have explored how you can use ChatGPT to create content pillars, lead magnets, SEO topics, interactive content, and your customer journey. This is all essential content for content creators or entrepreneurs. Remember, brainstorming does not have to be a difficult task. ChatGPT is here to amplify and maximize your creative potential. Let me know in the comments which brainstorming strategy you'll use first. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I've also got a free community for content creators and entrepreneurs that is designed to help you grow using proven marketing strategies and AI tools that I've developed in my marketing agency and share with the community. There's a link to the group down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.